Hello everyone, I'm Sai Tech and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's we'll be unboxing the Realme cooling fan. As you can see friends, which I did order from the Flipkart. I know it's kind of really too late time to unbox this kind of Realme cooling fan which has been launched months ago, but still I thought of ordering this cooling fan right now. It's necessary because of the IQ7 device. I'm just kidding friends, not because of the IQ7 device, because of nowadays I'm getting a lot of other new phones and which I'm having problems with the experiencing high temperatures. So I thought of testing the Realme cooling fan using in those phones. For example, recently with the IQ7 device, the temperatures increased up to 48 degrees. Will it make any sense using the Realme clip or not, cooling clip? So same thing is happening with the Realme X1 Max as well. I'm experiencing high temperatures close to 45 and 44 with the normal benchmarks. So that is the reason I thought of just ordering the Realme cooling fan. Let's see whether the Realme cooling fan will it make any kind of difference or not. But this is just an unboxing video. I want your comments below with what phone you want me to do this kind of testing using the Realme cooling fan. So first thing, I'll try to test the Monster, which is the IQ7 smartphone, obviously using the Realme cooling clip. Will it can cool down this Monster or not? So stay tuned for those videos which I'll be posting next in a couple of days or maybe in a couple of hours as well. In case if most of the requests come, definitely I'll try to do that video as a priority. And right now I did receive this kind of Realme cooling clip. As you can see friends, let's see what is the size. And previously I did a video using this small cooling clip which I got from the Amazon website, which is not that great in terms of the cooling, but still it does its purpose. So let me try to quickly see what will be the inside package is. So right now this is a small cooling clip, as you can see friends, which is very small. And let's see what are the contents we do get inside the box. That is another thing. And this video basically I did not for the best unboxing, but just I want your feedback with what phone you want me to compare. So because I did have the previous Monster and there's a new Monster which I got, Dimensity 1200. I'm really interested and curious to see whether this Realme cooling clip can be helpful in terms of gaming or not, particularly while doing the benchmarks. So that is another thing which I'll be mainly focusing on. And this is a very small and tiny cooling clip which I got right now in the package, as you can see friends, which is, I think we do have the, wow, that's a good thing, we do have the yellow color cable. Completely yellow. That's so weird, the combination. I think maybe because of the Realme yellow color, they decided to use yellow color clip, yellow color cable, as you can see, which is good. And we got some kind of papers and some warranty guides. And let me try to keep everything aside. And it is a small pack which has been there. So an extra clip as well, as you can see, for an extra pad, I think, for the protection maybe. Otherwise I can use two if I want, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll try to use and I'll try to see. So obviously the first thing I'm going to do is check the weight of this small cooling clip, how much the weight of this cooling clip can be added to the smartphone on the top of the phone's weight. So 50 grams will be increased. So 51 grams will be increased on the top of the phone's weight. For example, if you take the Realme X1 Max, which has got the very less weight, 179 grams to be specific. So as a round figure, if you take 180 grams, 180 plus 50 grams, so total it comes to 230 grams. So it's not that too heavy, I think. But let's see friends, I'll try to do using this cooling clip, testing the annual benchmark test results and whether this can cool down this Monster and previous Monster, which is a IQ7 device. Particularly I did order because of IQ7 device. So just kidding, not because of IQ7, just because of the few smartphones which I'm experiencing high temperatures. So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to comment below with what smartphones you want me to compare using this cooling clip. So that is what I'm looking after at your comments below. So make sure to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible for you all. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.